You know, the thought of holiday gift giving brings visions of fruitcakes and ugly sweaters to your head. Then look for a non-traditional gift this season that your loved one will not dread. Ooh, that rhymed. Laser vision correction has helped millions of people, and while LASIK is gaining popularity for vision correction, many people still do not know the ins and outs of the procedure. Colorado LASIK expert Dr. John Dishler is with us now, and he definitely has numerous achievements in the field of refractive surgery. His most notable achievement was the FDA approval of the Dishler Excimer laser and awards for his expertise in bladeless LASIK technology. Now, as seen in Forbes magazine for a second year in a row, Dr. Dishler was voted one of America's top 10 vision correction specialists in a nationwide survey of eye surgeons. Michael Goulan is a banker with Wells Fargo who had LASIK with Dr. Dishler about 6 months ago. And he thought about LASIK for a long time, but he finally visited Dishler LASIK, and he's very happy he did. Nice to see both of you.
Good morning.
So what was your vision before surgery?
As I understand, it was a -6
Pretty bad.
with a slight astigmatism, but now 6 months later, I'm seeing 20/15.
Good for you. And that helps because we were talking a few moments ago, golfing, that's one of your hobbies.
That's correct.
So it's helped a lot?
I can see the ball down the fairway.
And that's pretty important, especially when you go out with the guys, right? Go golfing. There's a great picture. We're talking to Michael, who's a patient of Dr. Dishler, 303-793-3000. And describe the concerns you had that blocked you from getting LASIK sooner. I mean, if you had such bad vision, why did you wait so long?
Initially, it was the cost. But once I got over the fear, it was a fear of, these are my only two eyes. I don't want anything to go wrong. But I overcame that fear and eventually had the evaluations, and I chose Dr. Dishler and his group.
Why did you choose Dr. Dishler?
They ran me through a lot of different tests, and they understood my concern and empathized with that. And every step of the way, very professional in how they treated me. And at the end of that, I decided to go with Dr. Dishler, and he also had an outstanding reputation, which was very important to me.
Certainly does. A lot of awards we mentioned too. Dr. Dishler, like Mike, if patients come in, they have that one-on-one consultation that they can ask you about a lot of their concerns and fears. What are the top 3 concerns that most patients have?
Well, you know, the first thing everyone asks is, what does it cost? And that is sort of a fear and a concern. But the biggest concern that patients have is, beyond that is, am I going to mess this up? Am I going to move? Am I going to do something to make this not work well for me? Because they're afraid that they need to participate. So we explain to them that there's eye trackers that, you know, follow their eye, and if they move a little bit, the laser will stop and pick right back up where it left off. So that makes them feel much more at ease. They have other concerns too. They're worried about whether the results are going to be good, whether or not it's going to hurt. And you know what the long-term results are going to be. So they have lots of different concerns, but we try to answer all of their questions.
Well, you're dealing with their eyes, so they're probably thinking, oh my gosh, can I go blind from this?
Right. Yeah. And you know, fortunately, no one to our knowledge has ever gone blind. And there's been over 7 million procedures done in the U.S. And that's not to say that medical things don't have risk. The biggest risk of anything like this is someone getting an infection. It's very rare. At our center, we've done over 50,000 cases, and fortunately, and you have wood here to knock on, we've never had anyone have an infection, but we're very careful. We have a sterile environment and so forth. But that's our biggest worry, is something like that going wrong. But fortunately, that's not happening. In fact, the alternative contact lenses are not themselves completely safe. Actually, there was a journal article in the American College of Pediatrics that showed that the risk of infection from contacts is way higher than in LASIK. And in fact, in emergency room visits for people, one of the most common ones is eye infection related to contacts.
Yeah, that's pretty scary. You know what I like about you? You encourage patients and our viewers to really do their education and to research.
Right.
And you've had so many positive outcomes and so many awards and recognized that you know that's going to pay off. Truly, they're going to realize Dishler's the place I need to go.
Well, we ask people only to put us in their short list. You know, like Mike, I think it's good to go around and visit a couple of different places and see what people have to say. And you know, we give people a tour of our facility and everything and explain to them that we really specialize in this. A lot of doctors offer LASIK, but we really specialize in this field, and we're very proud of our staff and what we do for, you know, helping people.
Mike, what would you say to viewers right now who are kind of on the fence? Should I get LASIK? What should I do?
It's truly a life-changing event. It offers you a significant amount of freedom from glasses, freedom from contact lenses. You can swim, you can ski, you can go to bed, you can fall asleep and not have to worry about taking your contact lenses out.
Yes, but has it improved your golf game? Any better?
I need to keep my day job.
You need to, yeah, that's a good thing. What kind of special offer do you have for our viewers, Doctor?
Well, you know, we have a very good offer for people, and so for the first, you know, 25 people to call in, just mention that you saw this Colorado and Company episode, and they'll give you all the details of what we're offering people for this holiday season.
Cool. Sounds good. Well, congratulations. I'm glad it worked out so well for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You can see for yourself why Dr. John Dishler was selected 2 years in a row as one of the leading laser surgeons in America. You'll be in good hands with Dishler Laser Institute when it comes to LASIK surgery. LASIK is one of the most successful eye surgeries, approved for patients 21 years and older, and hundreds of patients in most age groups are having LASIK every single day. If you're one of the first 25 callers to schedule an all-custom LASIK surgery procedure at Dishler Laser Institute, you're going to save $300 off Dr. John Dishler's lowest guaranteed price. Now, the special Colorado and Company offer is good when you schedule your consultation by December 31st. Your surgery will be completed by January 26th. In addition, when you come in for a free consultation, you're going to receive a free gift if you are indeed a LASIK candidate. 24-month financing is available, so call this number. It's 303-793-3000. 303-793-3000 to schedule your free LASIK consultation, or check out their website. It's dishler.com. 303-793-3000, and the Dishler Laser Institute paid for this segment. We'll be right back in just a few moments.